These are made by Liberty's Gears, Detroit, Michigan, USA. Hear a lot of people talking about that. Where their compensators are made in America. Made in America by Americans. Beautiful finish, beautiful part. Liberty's Gears. They fit in Milwaukee 8. I paid $6,000 for the brooch to make these match the splines on the crankshaft. And these ramps are a virtual copy of the original Harley Davidson ramp. That's why when you put this in your bike, it's smooth, it engages just like it should, but it will not break.